Hello there. Right, today, doing what I promised. Hotel tour, so let's have a look. Right, so you come in, you get free Wi-Fi. It's really quick as well, it's like 350 megabits down, 350 megabits up. Put your key card thing in there, everything turns on. And then you got that, hello. Then you got this bomb with it. It's got a phone, plug sockets. Unfortunately, I didn't get a bloody adapter, so I've got to go and find an adapter because my phone's dead. Yeah, air conditioning that was turned on. I turned it off because no place like this sometimes charge you at the end, and I don't really want to pay for that. So it's not really. It's cool in here. So I'd say it's about 25. Coffee and that. I don't really need that. Yeah, Samsung telly. It works, but they're all foreign, as you would imagine. Microwave, fridge, 2 bottles of water. I don't know if you've got to pay, so I've left them. Even though I'm dying for a drink. Safe, got my stuff in there. Nice little cupboard. There's your air conditioning unit up there. This is where the action happens, where I sleep. I bought my own stuff. Yeah, you never know. I'm like that. Go over here. I've just had a shower. Thought it'd wake me up. It did kind of. So where we go? Oh, wrong one. That one. There we go. Shower. Now, that's the weird thing I've noticed. Please do not throw toilet paper or any rubbish in the toilets. What do you do when you have a shite? Where do you put your toilet paper? But I did notice they got this little attachment-y thing. I think that's to wipe your ass. I don't know. I'm not even going to try it. I'm just going to hold it until I go to my next hotel tomorrow. I'm just here for the night because my Airbnb, the penthouse, yeah, it's not ready. Toilet bowl. Why? Yeah, got a hairdryer and whatnot. We've got all this plug-in hairdryer here. There's a shower and water. Look at this water. I'll show you how crap it is. I'll show you some. That's flat out. And I could piss more than that. It's a joke, honestly. But it did the job. That's all that matters, isn't it? At the end of the day. That up there. Some ancient thing there from 1970. But yeah, you know. Yeah. You got soaps. They smell alright. Telling you to reuse your towel, just dry it. So I put my towel outside. I didn't use their towel. Their towel's there. I don't like using hotel stuff. I like to use my own stuff. And I'll show you out the balcony. Heat is just going to hit me now. Right. Yeah, this is the view. Look at that view. I think there's a builder's yard there. Don't know what's going on over there. I really don't. Sheds, whatnot. Yeah, I put my towel there. I've got to go and find the 7-Eleven now. Don't know where the 7-Eleven's going to be. But I'm going to go for a little bit of a wander. Never know. It might be right at the back there, the big sea. Oh, just noticed it is a big sea as well. I'm going to go and have a look. It's not far. I can get there probably, I don't know, these roads. They're not safe, I tell you. They're like maniacs here. Honestly, no one gives a shit. You know, they'll undercut you, they'll do all sorts, hit the brakes, you name it. No warning. But anyway, yeah. Back in, it's quite warm out there. This is the hotel's called the Corner Lodge. It's in Pattaya. I draw that to keep the sun out, keep it nice and cold in here. It's nice. A picture on the wall, look. You know, it's nothing fancy. I paid 18 quid for this for the night. You know, can't complain. They give you towels and stuff. I'm not using them, like I said. And you can't use the water here. You can't drink the tap water. You know, you just don't want to be going to the toilet all night. Yeah, I gotta go get some water. I'm dehydrated big time and hallucinating. So that was just a quick video of my room, I guess. Hotel room. I'm on level 5. There's a swimming pool as well. Actually, let's go find the swimming pool. There you go. Look, this is more like it. A little veranda place. It's alright. Motorbikes everywhere, mate. It's alright. It's quite good. Go up here, have a look. Swimming pool, look. There's your pool. There's the gym. In here. That's it. Little gym. A few weights. I won't bother using this one. I'll use the one at the other one. Right. Little walk. Let's see what we can find. Alright. Back in a minute. Right. It's hot. It is hot for someone that's just come from England. And it's -3. Oh god, that's health and safety. It's about best, isn't it? God, you get killed round here. Literally killed. Porsche in Thailand. That's a new one. Alright guys, I'm going to leave this one here. You've had a little peek. I'll go on an adventure tomorrow, find some good places. See you in the next one.